Hi, I'm Allie.
And I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine.
In this video, we are going to be making a bone broth hot cocoa, which is a nourishing twist on hot chocolate that is featured in Naturally Nourished Kids.
Yes, this recipe is a family favorite, especially as the temperatures drop and we see influx of cold, influenza, and immune risk. Getting bone broth in a delivery of a mindful indulgence is a great 2-for-1 with food as medicine. Not to mention that cacao itself, or unprocessed chocolate, has a robust profile of antioxidants and minerals.
Let's head on over to the stovetop and we'll whip it up. Okay, and just a quick recipe note before we give this a taste. If you are using raw milk, I suggest using it at the end so that you don't denature all of the beneficial properties of raw milk, like the immunoglobulins. Now, that also will bring it down to a nice kid-safe temperature right away versus having to wait for your hot cocoa to cool.
So we are topping off with our honey vanilla bean marshmallows, another recipe featured from Naturally Nourished Kids. We released this on our YouTube channel 2 weeks ago, so we will put the video link below, but all the more reason to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on our bi-weekly Food as Medicine releases.
All right, the marshmallows are already getting nice and melted.
Yeah, I love
Cheers.
that. Cheers. It sips like a nice dark chocolate with that 100% cacao. So you're getting all of, as I mentioned before, the antioxidant benefits. And if you needed to, you could play with that ratio with your children, maybe a little bit more milk or less depending on that threshold.
Sure, and we only used a tablespoon of maple in the whole recipe, so you could always notch that up a little bit and then kind of back it off as their palates adjust. But this works for me and it works really well for my kids as well.
Yes, and if you needed to get more protein in and maybe serve this as a nourishing breakfast beyond adding our pure collagen, you could even play with whisking in a scoop of grass-fed whey. Once it's cooled down, that would work really nicely as well.